how to connect Jira with Power BI. So for this, we're going to be using asineria.com. Once you're on this website, scroll down until you see Power BI Jira connector, and then click Try it now for free. From here, sign in with Google. Now the third one from here, import issues from Jira to Power BI. Let's click that. Let's click connect to Jira. It just appeared now. And now all we need to do is log in with our Atlassian account. Now because I'm already logged in, I'm just gonna click accept. It automatically logged me in. Let's do a real time for one project. Let's select our URL and let's choose which one we want. Actually here. So I have the triple B's and the mobile banking app. I'm gonna do the triple B's. Here we have for Power BI desktop. Here we have online. I'm gonna choose the online one. Let's paste it. There you go. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.